Okay, I've gone ahead for the sake of time and I've applied 2 coats of the white apple barrel paint. That's what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do now, I have some clear school glue, which I've mixed 2 parts of the glue to 1 part of water, and it's gonna work just as if it was the thick white school glue, and it works just like Mod Podge. So I'm gonna use the glitters, the different glitters, silver, and some of the iridescent glitter as well. So let's get started with this. Okay, this is the school glue that I'm using, this clear one. So now I'll start to apply the mixture. I'll be using a brush. This is what it looks like. So for the sake of time, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do the other sides, and we return to add the other bling wraps in places to complete this project. Okay, I've already applied the glitter onto my my box. Transformation of this wipes case. So we are now ready to put some bling wrap on, and I've went ahead and I already cut the pieces that I'll be using, as well as some of this rhinestone. This is what it's looking like. And place another one. This one will go in this corner. Be extra careful with the hot glue. It's very, very hot. Have piece for each of the other two corners. So I'll go ahead and put these two pieces on off camera to save some time, and I'll be back so we can continue decorating the box. Okay, all the corners have been complete. 4 corners. So now we're gonna do around the edging, just around the top edge. And I'll be using 1 single strip of the silver bling wrap. So I'll continue on all around the edge, and I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like when it's complete. Okay, I'm just coming to the end of wrapping this piece on. It's almost complete. Okay, for this top part of the flap, I'm going to be using 2 strands of the silver bling wrap. So I'll go right around the edge, all around, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I'm finished. Okay, I'm just about finished. It's looking real gorgeous. Now I'm gonna do this top section, the flap that opens up. I'll just go around the edges and I'll come back and let you see what it looks like, just to save time. Okay, I've now completed putting all the fixing onto the dish. As you can see, I've added a nice little piece that came from a broken chain. I also put some diamond rhinestones on. And on the top flap, I put some rhinestone around the edging and also on the inner flap, because you know this is a wipes dish, and when you press the button it should open up. And here I have a star that came off of the necklace as well, that I've utilized to add some decor to this box. This box can be used as a jewel box, a storage box, or you can even put more wipes or tissue paper inside of the box. I think it turned out nicely. And on the bottom, these boxes normally comes with a little leg, 4 little legs at the bottom, and I've applied some bling wrap on each one. The second one. Go right around. The other two on the other side.